everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's haul is another Dollar Tree haul, and what I found was just some random new stuff that I've not seen before. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So the first two things that I picked up, now they have these all the time, but I have never purchased any of these foam rings from the Dollar Tree before, only because they are kind of tiny. So anyway, I grabbed a couple of these. I think I may do some sort of, I don't know, spring sort of DIY or something with these. I don't know just yet. But I did grab two of these. Now these are the 9.8 inch centimeter. And I don't know if you guys can see the size. You probably don't even care about the size. But anyway, I grabbed two of these. I just seen I don't know, I think it was on Facebook where I seen it, but I'm sure it came from TikTok, I think. But of the hairdresser guy that did the overnight curls, putting one of these rings on his head and wrapping his hair around it overnight. His curls turned out really pretty, but I don't know how comfortable that would be to sleep in. So anyway, I might try that too, who knows. So I grabbed two of those. So the next things that I picked up is something that I always grab when I'm at Dollar Tree, only because they are a little bit cheaper there, even at $1.25. And I use these for all kinds of DIY projects to put in my wreaths and whatever. But it is the glitter vase filler. And this one, these are black colored foam balls. And I like to use these a lot during Halloween. And I was running low, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab another pack of these. You get 110 in this pack. Okay, so the next things that I found, I have never seen at Dollar Tree before, and I thought these might come in handy if I wanted to hang something on my wall and not put a big hole in my wall with a nail. I don't know how well they're going to hold, but I thought I'd try them just to see. So they are the push pins by Jot. You get 40 in here. And these push pins have a little hook on the end of them. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll take one of them out and show you guys. But I thought these were really cool. So I thought maybe I could maybe hang something with them so I don't have to poke a big old hole in my wall with a nail. I don't know how well, like I said, I don't know how well they'll hold, but we'll see. Probably if it's not too heavy, it would work. So the next thing that I found at Dollar Tree that I have never seen before, this is also by Jot. This was in the stationery or the school learning tree section, I think. But it is the Jot pen holder. And I thought this was really neat because it is sort of like a Lazy Susan where it turns around. So I'm going to take this little sticker off the bottom here. See if I can show you guys how it spins, because it's supposed to spin, I guess, so that you can, easily access your pins or whatever. But oh yeah, it does spin. So that's pretty cool. I thought that would come in handy for my paintbrushes or pens, markers. You could probably even put, I don't know, maybe a couple of makeup brushes in there. I know it does have like these slots right here. I don't really know what exactly you would be able to put in there, but at least over here on these two sides you would have something and something in the middle. So anyway, I thought that was really neat. I've never seen this before. They did have it in white and gray were the only two colors that I've seen. So I went ahead and got a white one. Okay, so all right. I have been looking for the gold toe socks. Now, years ago, I got a pair of gold toed socks. I think it was free. Back whenever couponing was a real big thing, I somehow acquired a pair of gold toe socks, and they were free. But I loved those socks. They were really, really nice. But the price of them was very expensive, out of my price range for just for one pair of socks. But I did happen to find these. Now, I've seen everybody hauling these from their Dollar Tree, the gold toe socks. My Dollar Trees, it seems like when they get them in, they're out the door faster than they can put them on the shelf. But when I was in there this day, the lady said I bought the last pair that they had. She said it was a closeout from Gold Toe that all the stores were getting, and they were flying off the shelves. So I went ahead and grabbed these since these were the only ones I could find, but I thought these were really, really nice. These are the boot socks, and they are super duper soft. So I did grab these. This is the gray, has one gray pair, and then the other pair is sort of like, I don't know, looks stone washed or whatever, but it's sort of black and gray color. But anyway, these are super duper soft. And I'm trying to see if there was I know everybody was saying that the prices of them were like $15 a pair or something. They have a sticker over this, so I don't think I'm going to be able to peel it off to see how much they originally were. But nonetheless, these were really cool, so I can't wait to wear these. I'm going to be wearing these probably today. So anyway, I was happy to find those. And then on the subject of socks, sorry, I have to get down here in my bag. I found these. These are also a name brand, Mossy Oak. They sell these at, I think, Bass Pro, Walmart, you know, places like that. These are the sublimated crew. I don't know, but these are the women's. They did have some men, but my husband is really, really picky when it comes to socks, so I didn't get him any of them, but I did get me some of these, which, I mean, I'm not real big on the pink camo, but they're socks. I don't think anybody's really going to see them. So anyway, and these do feel pretty soft and cushy also. So anyway, I thought that was a really good find, so I did grab one pair of those. They also had leggings. Like, I have never seen leggings at Dollar Tree before, but they had some. I didn't get any, but I thought that was really neat. I've never seen leggings at Dollar Tree. So, okay, they had these. Now, I looked all over to see if I could find a different color, different pattern or whatever, because I'm not real big on this pattern. But nonetheless, I thought these were really, really cool. So this is Cushy Foot Flats to Go. I have never seen this before at Dollar Tree. Even the cashier was just shocked to see these. She's like, I can't believe we have those. But I'm going to take them out of here and see what they look like. So they had these. Now, I'm telling you guys, I don't really care for this. I don't know if it's a snakeskin pattern or what. I was really hoping they would have more like solid colors, maybe some black ones, but I don't know. These seem very, very thin. They do have like this sole, sort of like this rubberized sole on the bottom. And then on the inside, I'm telling you, these are probably not going to be all that comfortable. I don't know, though. They may be. But I don't know if I would, I'm not sure if these would be, I don't know if you would want to wear these outside or not. But maybe. They're just really, really super thin. So I don't know. But I thought they were really cool. So I went ahead and grabbed them. And I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. If anyone has ever tried these, let me know down in the comments if you liked them or what. Maybe I wasted $1.25. I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, so the next things that I found, let me see if I can grab it here. I've seen some people haul these also, but I thought these were really cool because I've seen something similar to this at Hobby Lobby, and it was a lot more than $1.25. But they are these metal hooks, and they did have a couple of different other colors to choose from, but I just really liked these white ones with the sort of like the chippy, I don't know, they look kind of shabby chic sort of paint on there. So I did go ahead and grab two of these. Now these are metal, so they are pretty sturdy. This is the antique white finish. And they do come with two little screws on the back there so that you can hang them on your wall or whatever you wanted to do with these. But I thought these were really cool, so I went ahead and grabbed a couple of those. And then I've seen these before at the Dollar Tree, and I just never picked them up because I wasn't really sure if it would work. But in my hallway is very dark, so it's hard to kind of see going down my hallway, especially at night. So I went ahead and grabbed this. This is the nightlight LED, but this is the like motion censored type nightlight. So I thought I would give it a try just to see how well it's going to work, if it's really going to go off with motion, how bright it's going to be. So anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and pick this up just to see how it's going to work. Okay. The next two things that I found, which I've seen other people haul these too, and I was so excited that my Dollar Tree got them in. They had a couple other different designs or whatever to choose from, but I just grabbed the two that I liked the most. So it's these, I grabbed the honeybee one and then the lemon one. Now on the inside, these are really cool. On the inside, you flip it open and it's got like this pad of paper here, and then a smaller pad, and then this other smaller pad here. I don't know if these are like sticky notes, but it does come with its own ink pen, which I think is really cool. So I'm going to open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here is what this looks like. And I just love bees. Anything with bees on it, I'm a sucker for it. So I wonder if these are sticky notes. I don't know. That one's not. That one's not. No, they're not sticky notes, but still would come in really handy. Maybe stick this in your purse, jot down some notes, grocery list, whatever you wanted to do in there. But anyway, I thought that was really, really pretty. And then this lemon one says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And you open it up, and on the inside it has the striped pad there. Oh, this was really cute too. What's that say? Choose happiness. And then this one on the bottom. So these are really, really cute. These would also make really cute gifts for somebody if you wanted to give maybe for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up soon. Okay, so along the lines of that sort of stationery type thing, they had these. They only had two different designs to choose from, so I grabbed the one with the cherries on it. But it's similar to those little pads, but these have actual little sticky notes in there. They have these little tags here on the side, a little pad there to write with. These are cute. I don't really know what you would do with that. Is that, let's open it. Let's open it and see what this is all about. Plus, you guys could probably see it better too without the glare. Oh, so cute. So you have these two little pads over here. That's really cute. I'm trying to figure out, I guess these are these little cherries right here. These are little sticky notes too, little sticky tabs. Well, isn't that cute? So yeah, and it like folds in on itself. So this would come in really handy too if you wanted to put it in your purse for something. Okay, so the next thing that I found at Dollar Tree, which I know Dollar Tree carries this in their cooking concepts line, I guess, but this is a different brand. This is Made Smart. It says women owned sponge caddy, movable suction cup, used inside and around the sink. So I went ahead and grabbed this. I just wanted to see how this worked. Now I have used the one that is, I think it's the Cooking Concepts or something, the Dollar Tree brand. And I couldn't get it to stay suctioned to my sink. So it just kept falling off. So anyway, I thought I'd grab this and give it a try to see. It does have two different areas where you can suction it, where you can put the suction cup here or on the bottom here where it's at. Maybe have it standing up, but I prefer having it kind of set down inside my sink so no one can see my sponge. But anyway, I thought I would get that and try it out since it was something new I've never seen before. Okay, so the last few things that I've got here. Now, if you're a sticker fanatic, which I'm not really a sticker fanatic, but I've noticed here lately, I'm getting more and more into stickers. I don't know why, because I really don't use them for anything, but I have some ideas that I can do with these during Halloween time. So anyway, These are some really cool stickers, and I think I've even got a couple of rub-ons in here. So I tried to grab 2 of each of them. So this one is, you get 8 in here, but I thought these were really, really cool because, I don't know, they're just so vintagey, I don't know, looking. I really like these. I got these mainly for like these buckles that's going through here. I think those are really, really cool. So I did grab 2 of those. Let's see here. These other 2 I grabbed. You also get 8 in here, but I thought these were really, really pretty too. And I got these mainly for this like scrolling, these pieces right here. I thought those were really, really pretty and may come in handy for a DIY that I plan on doing hopefully during Halloween time. So I grabbed those. And then these are something similar. They had so many different kinds of these things to choose from. It was hard to decide. I did have quite a few, and then I thought, man, I don't need all of these because really at $1.25, that's kind of expensive. It can add up. So I put probably half of the stack that I had back, but I did grab these. So the reason why I grabbed these is also because of these little corner tab things here. I thought were really cool. So I grabbed those 2. And then the last thing that I picked up is a rub-on. So this is the rub-on transfers. And I got this because of the, I don't know, it's farmhousey. So you have like that bull there, little cow, there's pumpkin, rakes, aprons, a little cutting board, you got an axe, I don't know, okay. But anyway, I thought these were really cool. And on the back, it does show some different things that you can do with these. So anyway, that's the reason why I grabbed these, is because they're sort of farmhousey. So anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.